tell me when.
I'm good now. Shay,
Ladies and gentlemen.
This building was the construction of passenger cars for the B&O. Basically, the B&O was its own major supplier of railroad equipment, and the shop was where the passenger cars were built. And of course, 19th century passenger cars were made out of wood. Now, of course, they did use balsa wood. They used, really substantial wood like oak and hickory and ash. And over in the Roundhouse on track 19 is a passenger car built for the B&O in 1890. And the car body was built completely out of the body. Yes, that car must have set the B&O back a few bucks. That's all I can figure. But I mean, it was, they wanted, the strongest woods that they could get their hands on to build the passenger. But eventually, at the 1900s came along and so the steel passenger car. So this building, basically, the B&O was building their own until the 1980s. They decided it was cheaper to buy rather than to build, and they started buying cars from Jackson and Sharp, Oakland, Delaware, Wasons, Springfield, Massachusetts, and the Pullman Company in Chicago. And the force, the workforce that was in here building passenger cars, unfortunately got rid of it and got rid of it. But this building was kept busy as a passenger car repair shop. And stayed in the repair shop until about 1970. And then when they combined Chesapeake and Ohio and Baltimore and Ohio, they had merged in 1964. When the combined railroads decided to throw in the towel on passengers, because Amtrak was coming along in 1971. They sold most of their passenger cars to Amtrak, and they converted the building very quickly into freight car repair, without missing a beat. Yes. And this building stayed with CSX, which was the final operator in this building, until 1990.
Is that what it is now?
Mm-hmm. And in 1990, this building became part of the museum. So this building was part of the Montclair Shops and Yards. It was installed here in 1934 by a company out of Milwaukee, Wisconsin. And it's still operates. As a matter of fact, for a long time, because we weren't using it for much of anything else, we were calling that overhead crane the world's greatest light bulb changer. Because that's what we were using it for. Talk about probably the best steam passenger locomotive the B&O ever had.
Yeah, tell me about this.
And 5300 was built by Baldwin, the Baldwin Locomotive Works in Philadelphia. And Baldwin built the switched railroads because they were in cahoots with the Reading and the Jersey Central. The B&O used their tracks to go from Philadelphia to Jersey City. And that was their mainline tracks, and those tracks were in real good shape as well for that kind of speed and this kind of locomotive. So 20 of these were built The first one, 5300, was called the President Washington. So these locomotives were called President Pacificus.
Okay.
And the last one, which was 5319, was named after who?
5319.
5319. Now I gotta tell you one thing before you start thinking about this. There was only one President Adams. Now we had two President Adams,
Yeah.
but only one locomotive was named President Adams. So that's going to throw off your calculations a little bit. Okay, the other thing I tried. It could do 100 miles an hour.
Wow.
80-inch drivers.
That's gonna.
What did they have to do to the
Locomotive had the
railroad?
president's name on the cab.
Yeah. Boy, I tell you what.
For the great age of industrialization.
Yeah.
And what's the engine next to us, the big one?
Okay, well, let's
Let's
go over and look at it
that.
because
Yeah.
this is our. Well,
Or was it automatic by this
No, this
point?
was automatic scope.
Oh.
See, that's technically that's called an Archimedes screw.
Oh,
And
yeah.
basically, it was powered by steam and it turned and let the coal forward up to this point right here.
Oh, okay.
And underneath here was a steam-powered grinder that took the lumps of coal and basically ground it down into pebbles.
Into pebbles. The
Yeah.
coal was in there.
Right.
And then this Archimedes screw pulled it in
Yeah.
there.
Well, no, it was going from there to there.
From there to there.
This is the
Oh,
firebox.
That's the firebox.
Yes. So basically, it was ground down, and then this distributor right here
Yeah.
blew the coal throughout the firebox by using steam from the boiler. Of course, we got all kinds of steam coming from a huge boiler.
This is just amazing.
So you might as well use it. But we have a little recorded message here.
Oh,
of this
okay.
firebox. Yeah.
Tom, sit in the seat, pretend you're the engineer. Sit in the seat there, Tom. You can pretend you're the engineer. You want to sit here?
He's gonna do this guy here.
Why don't you record this, Alex?
I can't because he keeps talking.
Oh. Hold your phone. That's the brake for the seat. I'll be the engineer.
Okay, there you go. Okay, yeah, a locomotive with a firebox that big, like you said, 135 square feet. Not even Superman could hand fire a locomotive like this. So it took an automatic stoker to get the coal from the tender into the firebox.
And this is how we would control the speed.
Yeah, that's the throttle.
The throttle.
That's the throttle that controls the amount of steam going into the cylinders.
And what does this do here?
Okay, that's for water. That controls the amount of water that's being fed into the boiler from the tender.
How do people invent stuff
And
like
this is the train brake right here.
That's the brake.
And this is the locomotive brake.
But you really couldn't see anything.
No,
ahead
you
of
had to lean out the window to see.
Yeah.
And that's what
Even
the
then, if there was a cow in the line, how would you even see it?
it would be easy. And this device here, that moves the whistle, and that there is a lever that rang the bell. The bell was operated by air pressure from the air brake system.
Wow.
And this is your reverser. Push it forward, the locomotive goes forward, pull it backward. locomotive batch.
When was this last operated?
These locomotives stayed in service till about 1958.
1958.
This locomotive in particular was part of the first order that the Chesapeake and Ohio Railroad made with Lima Locomotive Works
Yeah.
in Lima, Ohio.
Yeah. Alex has all those books.
Yeah, which is in western Ohio,
Yeah.
north of Cincinnati. And Lima built 10 of these in 1941 for the C&O.
For the war effort.
Yes.
Yeah.
And this 1604 was part of that first batch.
What stuff? Oh, that's part of the machine. Don't worry about that. And what are the stoker jets?
Okay.
Is that for the coal?
Yes, that controls, the fireman sat here, and he basically controlled the amount of coal and the direction of the coal as it was coming up to that distributor right there. And like I said, it used steam to blow the coal throughout the fire. Basically, the temperatures were so high at 2,500 degrees that you weren't actually burning coal. It was more like a chemical reaction.
Vaporizing,
Yes,
yeah.
exactly. So the locomotive operated on a steam pressure of 260 pounds.
Sounds hot. Dear future engineers.
Yeah. You know what? I'll tell you this.
It's pretty neat, isn't it,
It's
Tom?
pretty neat.
Yeah. Wow.
So this locomotive, just to give you a few numbers on it,
Yeah.
it's 125 feet long,
Yeah.
and it weighs 608 tons. It's well, 608 tons is everything. That's the locomotive, which by itself is 389 tons. But you add in the tender, then you add in the coal and the water, and the total comes out to 608 tons.
Wow.
And you have to include the total, because when it comes out of the roundhouse and out onto the tracks and get its train, that's when it's going to weigh. Because it's going to be completely full of coal and completely full of water.
How did they get it in here? Pulled in by a crane?
No, we used one of our diesel locomotives.
Of one of your diesel locomotives.
Yeah, a diesel locomotive to handle this.
Tom,
that basically.
Yeah, he better go up there. In the women's group, we just had a presentation by an artist. I live in York.
Just
about
wanted-
10 years.
Oh, yeah.
Is that what you're
That's
doing
what it
now?
is.
But-
Not exactly.
But-
It's really not in the air.
but-
But it feels like it.
Yeah.
No wind,
Yeah.
no problem.
Take a little while. Thank you.
Where you going here?
Then you're gonna go check something else out?
Suburbs, and it was $12 admission, but if you're a senior, you got each way is only about $2.20, but then parking, there's no discount if you're a senior. So that's like $5.50 or something out there at Ranch Avenue.
I have, when I was working,
Going on the ground.
I used to have the,
No,
Go over to the
Martin,
boat all the time.
park on one side and,
And I think that's supposed to be
subway or metro on the other side.
Next train.
the
Keep going this way.
metro, kind of down there on weekends and you went around town and didn't cost anything, you know.
Look, it's going.
But,
Built, but they've been around for quite some time.
Since the mid 2000s. I think they're purging their whole fleet. If anything, it's DC or, like I said, oddball.
I know a guy who's a CSX engineer. He loved the SD80 Max.
I know he is, Al Moran.
Yeah. I've only met him a couple times. He's come to railroad club meetings, but he emails regularly from
Alright,
him.
Benny, you wanna move on? It was a question. The answer could be no. Jason, I mean, out here.